friend, this is Technology Issue Nepal, and today I am going to show you how to make a computer like jarvis. First of all, you have to download the links given in the description. I'll give you the link in the description, and just copy the link in the description and go to the Chrome. I'll give you the link in the description. Here we can see the jarvis and the link is over here. This is the meter. This is for the skin packs. This is for the wallpaper and the others. Okay, first of all we have to download this meter. Just copy it. I have already downloaded it, but I will show you how to download it. Just click enter, then just download final, and your download will be start. And next one, the skin packs, you have to do the same things as I have done before. Likewise for the wallpaper, you have to do the last one, this one. Copy this and just paste over the Chrome. Then your download will start. Seal or the meter theme. Then the next step is you have to just for the wallpaper, if you want the wallpaper, then you can download this, otherwise you don't need to download you first of all you have to download. Then your download will finish. After finishing the download, you have to go to the software you have downloaded, and I have kept in the backup and the new software, that is jarvis. First of all, you need to download the meter. You have to install the meter. You have to install the meter, like click on it, next, install, and yes, it will finish. Yeah, it is finished, already finished. It is installed on my PC. The next step is that you have to install the skin packs. This will show this logo, and it will take a little bit of time. You have to wait for it. Keep patience. Then I accept the terms and the agreement. Next. No need to click over here. If you click over here, then it will install the Opera for your PC. Then it will take a time. Then after that, it will make some changes over here. Just leave it as it is. Wait for a while. It will do self. It will do for you. You don't need to do anything, just have to watch it up. Then your new theme is created over here. Just click over here, then cross it. Okay, then your new interface is created over here. Look at over here. Next, finish. Look at over there. It looks like a jarvis. I have already created the skin pack red meter over there, so I found the default red meter over here. If you want to make now, the final step you have to do is that you have to go to the software jarvis, then over here you can see the shield or the OS red meter, then click on it, then copy it, then go to the documents and you can find the red meter over here and skin. You have to paste it over here. You have to paste it over here, then it will be replaced. I have already copied it, so it is already installed over here. So if you want to exit it, right click on the site and quit. It will be not appear over here. And you have, if you want to, I like to use the small taskbar, so I'm gonna make the small taskbar. And if you want to make your personalization, if you want to make the jarvis as like, if you want to make the rotator for yourself, if you want to make the clock like this, you can make it as it is you like. Otherwise you can lift it and it will disturb you while doing the task, so it can be make a undraggable. So for that you have to right click on this and setting draggable. So look, it can be dragged. So I'm gonna make unload skin for removing it. And if you want to make the more settings over here, there is more settings on the skin packs. SD launcher, look at this. I don't like this actually. Time in look at this. If you want to make like this, you can make it, but I don't like this. Skins, go to the skins and over here replace take the rotator. If you like the rotator, you can do you can keep it over here. Just I have kept like this. Download skin. If you want to make a CPU, then you can make it like this. But I am unloading this. I don't like this kind of interface over here in my PC. So I like this kind of PC. And over here in the hand of the Iron Man, there is rotating something, so you can keep the rotator over there. And I like this kind of interface over here. And you can see the changes in the this text over here. So for the more information, you have to subscribe my channel and like my channel, and if you have any problem you can ask me on comment.